Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like my lighting is like so off and so not cute. Okay, so today I will be doing a winter wonderland eye look. So if y'all want to see how I do this look and what I use for the eyeshadow and what brushes and all of that stuff, just stay tuned and we'll get started in a bit. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe down below, make sure to give me a thumbs up, make sure you comment down below and let me know what you want me to do next. So I added my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in shade Fair Rose on my eyelid, and then I spread out the product with this little brush, and then I just flatten it so it could be a good canvas for the eyeshadow. And I know it's like super beat up. I'm so very sorry, but this palette is so good. And this is the first palette we are going to start with is this shade right here, and it's this like brown skin color type color. And the brush I will be using to apply that, it is going to be a BH Studio Pro number 5 brush, and it's like very fluffy and like low-key tapered at the same time. I'm going to blend this eyeshadow a little bit further in than the mid, my I guess transition color, and then I go back and then I grab color, I tap it off and do the same thing. I do this like 3 or 4 times. I like to do that. And bring the excess where my brow is, shade right here, the one next to it, right here, this one, this bad boy right there. And I'm going in with another brush, and this is by BH Cosmetics as well, and it's the V19 brush, and I feel like it kind of slightly changes the color, but not really. But then again, you have to use a few shades for it to be like really blended into each other, because like if you use 1 or 2 shades, like you can really tell like if it's not blended. But I dip it into this color and then tap it off, and then I go back in and like I do the same thing I did with the first eyeshadow color. And I feel like I always look goofy in my videos because I never have the angles. But anyways, okay, let me get a little darker brown right here. Sorry guys, I'm like trying to concentrate and this lighting is doing no justice to this. Kind of disappeared, so it's just this little flat brush. It's like B18 or something, I have no idea. But this part is like the most crucial part ever because I never cut my crease the same, and I'm using the same eyeshadow, same concealer. I always say the wrong words. Same concealer. And then people are like, just stamp it, like just stamp it, right? I'm like, no, I cannot just stamp it. That's not me. Okay, like before that I was doing makeup, I could totally stamp my eyeshadow like no problem whatsoever. But now that I stopped doing my eyeshadow for a while, it's like so much harder to do my makeup. Like my cut creases don't come out the same. I feel like once you get to a certain level at makeup and then you stop doing it for a while, you go back to level 1. So once I get the desired shape and you struggle like so much to get your crease, you're gonna go grab the rest of the concealer, like you don't add anymore, and then you're just gonna tap like this. So I'm using this flat brush, and this flat brush is from Morphe. I'm going to mix these 2 eyeshadows, and then I'm gonna top it with this light pink. So you see, like that's totally different. So now we're gonna grab that pink, pack it on there, and then I'm just gonna go over top. Very hard to do this. you're gonna grab any lash glue and you're just gonna start like little by little adding the glue where you want it, you know. Glitter is by J Glitz and her glitter is so cute. So I'm applying my glitter. Let the moisturizer sit on my face for like 45 to an hour. So just do that. Your favorite moisturizer, you can go ahead and moisturize. I use the CeraVe and then I use the Pond's cream, but the one that has no fragrance. For my foundation, I'm using my Maybelline 24 Hour Stay Natural Ivory. If you gotta like move your hair, move your hair. Concealer. Literally my favorite part. A dab it on the nose. I guess on the bridge a little bit, not too much. The other side, bring it outwards, and then in the front you bring it a little bit lower. I'm going to do the cream contour, and I'm using this. I actually need a new one. I like to contour the F out of my forehead. And for my nose, I'm going to do the tip with this. I have two brushes. I have a flat brush and then I have like this one, and this is a Morphe E62 and this is a Jasmine LaBelle shade of brush. And with this one I go in here and I just connect it brush, and you are going to try to blend this out as good as you can. Anyway, so I'm gonna finish doing the contour off camera because this is gonna take a long time, and then I'll come and show you how I do my cheeks. I'm just gonna like feel out where I have my cheekbones, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of color and then bring it up like so. It like I can't it just like guides me way better when I'm doing like powder contour and all that stuff. But anyways, let me clock out real quick. This is what I have. It is my Tarte Pro Glow palette. I'm using the shade Sculpt. On Instagram, and she was just like no, not on Instagram, it was on TikTok, and she was like putting like so much contour on her lips, and then it's like that little thing, no one's gonna know, no one's gonna know, and then it's like her lip was literally I think less than mine, and like she made it like all the way up here and it looked like her natural lip. It was insane. Everyone raves about this Milani Luminoso, and I don't know the rave. Like I've been having it and I don't know why. I don't see the hype, but we are going to add that to our cheek. We almost have blend into the contour. Your contour is looking a little bit harsh, sweetheart. Looks like a clown, bitch. Okay, so tone it down a little bit, girl. It's the shade Translucent. And I am going to just grab a tiny brush. Grab some powder. Who are they when I wanted to shine? This beauty blender, like I said. Get your little precision skills on fleek. Can you tell I'm tired? No, you can't, because I just caked it up. This video is gonna be so long. I hate when things don't go my way and they don't go right. I'm going in my Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero collaboration, and I'm going to grab the shade 143, this one right here, with my middle finger and tap it on your nose. And like I try to like make it blinding, you know, show off. Show off, sis. Right here, like, be shy. Shy. Let's be shy. Time for our lips. I am using the MAC eyeliner in shade Strip Down. I want to strip it down. So like that. And then here I like to come and then do a few lines to make it like I guess like the depth of it, you know. I'm using this the MAC and this is in shade Act Natural, and I went ahead and dabbed it in the middle and I blended it out with my finger, as well as I am going to apply this gloss, and it's by LA Colors, and I love this gloss so much. It literally gives you life. I hope y'all enjoyed this look. If y'all did, make sure to subscribe down below and make sure to give me a thumbs up and let me know what look you want to see next. I feel like this was so easy and just not hard at all. I did not use that many colors like I usually do, and I just really hope y'all enjoyed this video, because if you did, just make sure to become part of the family, and I will see y'all on my next video. Bye guys, love y'all.